So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of your timeline become completely gray or it has been deleted but the timeline window is here but there's no timeline. Now in order to get your timeline back, all you need to do is to just simply go to your media pool, and here you'll find something like this that shows something like this icon that has multiple boxes, big boxes above and little boxes in the bottom. All you need to do is to just simply drag and drop this to your project, and this is the exact timeline that has vanished. Now once you drag and drop it, you'll notice that your timeline is back on track. Or what you can do is just simply double click on it and you'll see that the timeline will appear again on the screen.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.